I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: flour, water, yeast, and salt. It's crucial to use active yeast to ensure your dough rises beautifully. Precise measurements are key for consistent results, so use a kitchen scale if possible. This foundational step sets you up for delicious homemade bread. Next, combine your dry and wet ingredients until a shaggy dough forms. Then, it's time for kneading. Work the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it transforms into a smooth, elastic ball. This process develops the gluten, which gives your bread its structure. You'll feel the dough become more pliable and less sticky as you knead. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl and let it rise in a warm spot. This first rise, or bulk fermentation, usually takes 1 to 2 hours, or until the dough doubles in size. Once risen, gently deflate it and shape it into your desired loaf. Creating good surface tension is important for a beautiful oven spring. Finally, allow your shaped loaf to undergo a second rise, which usually takes 30 to 60 minutes. While it rises, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius with your baking vessel inside. Bake the bread for 30 to 40 minutes until it's golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. Enjoy your freshly baked bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.